Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on adjusting the brightness on the Apple Watch Ultra 2. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Press the digital crown to open the app menu. Then tap the settings cog to open settings. Scroll down settings and tap display and brightness. The bar at the top of the display and brightness setting is where you change the brightness. Tap the sun icon on the left to reduce the brightness of the watch. Tap the sun icon on the right to increase the brightness of the watch. The bar in the middle shows the brightness level. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Apple Watch Ultra tips and tricks.